Okay everyone, I finished it up and now we're going to do the final flip through for you so you can kind of see how I embellished it, and of course that's optional, you do it however you want, but this is how I did it. So here is the final deal. I just have these little ties that we sewed into the project. When I shut it, I wrap this one all the way around and then bring this one over and tie it right here on this edge. So you can do it however you want, however it works. All right, here on the front I added this little metal butterfly and just did kind of some stitching around here and the word remember. So anyway, I like how it turned out. It turned out good. All right, so I'll just kind of open it up and give you the full view of it so you can get an idea of what you're looking at. This is one side. And we will just kind of start working through it. So here on these, I have just a piece of coffee dyed paper for writing and journaling on, tucked into that little tuck. And then down here, I have a little envelope that has a couple of this is a scrap from the cards that we were working with. And this is just a, what are they called? I don't know, the little cashier's check receipt thing that is avocado dyed, and so it's a light pink. Anyway, turned out cool. Oh, we need that the other way because you gotta be able to see that. There you go. And then I just did a little photo corner here. I did a few little words here and there, you'll see, but this is our little butterfly card that we had, and I just did this little bit of faux ephemera that you can journal on, and a fun little rusty paper clip just because it adds something cool. But I like when you put it in, it kind of makes the butterfly pop, so that's why I chose that. This one just has a piece of folded paper tucked in here on the side tuck just for journaling. This little pocket here has tons of just little bits that I found. Another little faux ephemera and a vellum envelope with just some tiny little bits in there. You don't need me to open it, I'm sure. But, and let's see, the big pocket has a tag, and this pocket right here with our notebook, I put a little metal embellishment on there, and it has lots of just the little papers, and that turned out really cute. That just goes right here, tucks right in. And the last one on this side has several little tags in the front small pocket, and then a big tag on the big pocket that apparently, there we go. And I put a little charm on that one. Alright, so I will turn it over. This one has a piece of faux ephemera, just all folded up. So kind of fun. And then I did the rusty paper clip. And I love how the rusty paper clip leaves a little mark on the ephemera. It just makes it look authentic, and I love it. So we got that. You saw this already, the little book that goes inside the belly band. And this one, it's the 3 stacked pockets. And I just stuck tons of little scraps. These are all scraps that I just cut the corners off and went for it. And then these corner pockets, we have a little tag, a little journal card, and then this big tag right here for journaling on the back. And the last pocket, there's a cute little tag, another little bit of ephemera, and then another big tag back here in this back pocket. Anyway, I just went through and added a few little words here and there, some little embellishment. I could go and add some stamping or something else, but that's pretty much the gist of it. I love how it turned out. Super easy. I did this in under a day, so that's pretty good. And that's really probably a total of maybe 2 hours. So not bad and really easy. Let me know if you have questions. And before I forget, you guys need to check out below because I'm doing a giveaway this week. And I have the link below. You can get $20 to this shop and I'm going to do 4 of them. So anyway, I'm super excited. I think it'll be fun. Kind of my Merry Christmas to you guys. So thank you so much for watching and for everything you do. And I hope all of you are doing awesome. Bye.